Hi guys, I'm David, a beauty director at Sephora.
And hi, I'm Jackie on the Play by Sephora team, and we are here to talk to you today about an amazing product that we're loving. It is in your Play by Sephora box this month. It's the Blur Stick from Milk Makeup. I am obsessed with this formula right now. It's so innovative, and I feel like there's so many ways to use it.
Absolutely. When you use this, what's your normal approach to it?
So I've been loving it for a no makeup look. I'll do a little bit of concealer on some spots, but mostly I take this, I start in the center of my face, I work it into my skin, warm it up with my fingers, and I feel like that's kind of all I need for that look, and it's really nice to be able to go outside of the house, feel like all my imperfections are blurred, but not be wearing a full face of makeup.
Yeah, I love that. I think that's great. I mean, I like to do that too, because I don't like to wear makeup so much. A second way that you can actually use this, aside from on its own, is under foundation. I mean, it is a primer, right? Primers lock your foundation into place.
Totally.
So when you're using it under your foundation, you actually have the option to be a little strategic with it because of the control you have with the stick, so you can really pick where you need it. Maybe you just need it on your forehead and your nose. You know, if you're more combo, that would be a great way to use this.
To control shine.
Absolutely. So I know you're not going to be surprised to hear this, but there actually is a third way to use this.
I love this hack.
Yeah, because it's a little unconventional. Basically, you can use this as a touch-up throughout the day on top of your makeup. So Jackie has makeup on right now. I can see there's some areas that have some oiliness that's
getting a little shiny.
Especially in the T-zone, right? So it's great to have the ability to just place it in the T-zone as a touch-up, because we tend to get oily there. So another area when it comes to touch-ups throughout the day tends to be the side of the nose, because there's no light bouncing, so it automatically recedes this area, and it creates a beautiful sculpt to the nose. Yeah, and you just leave the top of the nose glowing, and it shapes it for you. Isn't that lovely?
A secret contour.
It is a secret contour. Yeah. And then of course you can do on the chin, which a lot of people find is a great place for touch-up throughout the day. Some people can get a little oily there, but it's really easy, and you can apply it directly from the stick. You can apply it with your fingers.
Definitely putting this one in my desk to use for touch-ups throughout the day.
Hey, I love that.
Yeah, and hopefully you guys learned a few new tips to use your Milk Makeup Blur Stick. So until next time, have fun, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.